Video 464 Pixdump Part 1. We're going to stub in a system called Pixdump, and it is going to be used to just take the texture memory and save it to file, save it to disk. So Pixdump is just going to take Pix2048's data, the 2048 by 2048 texture memory that is pretty much the entire working memory of the game, right? The game state is stored inside of a 2048 by 2048 texture. Pixdump is just going to save that to the hard disk. We are not going to reuse any of the file mob saving and loading code because I want to just keep Pixdump kind of self-contained and simple, and the only dependency Pixdump has is Pix2048. So any of the saving code that we need to write is going to be self-contained inside of Pixdump. It is the 28th chronological system, and in dependency order, it is subsystem 2. Const macros by system. Pixdump is right down here. There is no constant data yet. We're just stubbing in the system beneath Pix2048. Then in the data section, same idea. We are just stubbing in the data section. We haven't written anything here, and it is beneath the Pix2048 section. Okay, and the last stub, right? We're stubbing in the Pixdump function section here. We have left alignment here for the beginning of the section. We have right alignment here for the end of the section. And this 28 stands for the 28th chronological system. The chronological order will never, ever fucking change because we don't have time travel, right? So Pixdump was the 28th subsystem we created, so there's always going to be this 28 border at the beginning and ending of this partition. All of the functions are going to go in this section that are related to Pixdump. So any f_Pixdump function will go here. Here is what we did previously that I forgot to highlight, and then down here, oh god damn it, down here is what we did in this video. All we did was stub in the system, Pixdump. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. If you just want technical demos, you can go here. Source code is here. Email me here. I am Kanji Coder. Like and subscribe.